Welcome to Apoteksgården's film about being a manager. Becoming a manager is not only a recognition of hard work and competence, but also a sign of trust and responsibility. When a new managerial position is celebrated with champagne and shared pride among family and friends, a new journey begins. A journey that involves not only higher pay and status, but also significant responsibility. A manager's primary task is to lead the organization towards success. However, a less visible yet equally important responsibility is to maintain a healthy psychosocial work environment. This responsibility can come as a shock to those who are appointed managers because of their ability to negotiate successful contracts or their strong professional skills as employees. As a manager, you suddenly become responsible for the well-being of your staff, an assignment that requires both knowledge and empathy. This new role means having to manage not only the technical aspects of the organization, but also the human ones. It can be challenging to deal with situations such as discussing personal hygiene with a caretaker or addressing sexist jokes among colleagues. These difficult conversations can feel intimidating, and it is tempting to avoid them. One may convince oneself that the problem is not that serious or that it will resolve itself over time. But the truth is that responsibility for the psychosocial work environment is one of the most important parts of a manager's role. This is one reason why managers often earn higher salaries than their employees. They carry greater responsibility. Handling challenges such as substance abuse in the workplace requires both courage and competence. It is about daring to take those difficult conversations, being the support your employees need, and contributing to a healthy and safe work environment. As a manager, your responsibility is not only to understand the business, but also to understand and care for the people who make the business possible. Being a manager means having the opportunity to make a real difference in people's lives, both professionally and personally. It is a meaningful and important assignment that requires both skill and empathy, and that has the potential to create a positive and productive work environment for everyone.